on camera because I forgot that I didn't charge my GoPro. So my lovely friend is filming for me and I have permission to dive this skip, so happy days. And straight away I can see a nice big radiator, which is awesome. Unfortunately though, I've only got one glove because I just didn't come prepared for my dive basically. Nice rotten banana. That's heavy. Oh, that is insanely heavy. Jeez, I don't even know how to get it out. Well, we'll see what else is in here first before I struggle in. Some fish chairs. I'll start in here. That's a nice chunk. There's some more bits of pipe. I was hoping to get all of the copper and stuff, but the site manager says the builders took it. Ooh. I see cordage. Somebody else has been using this skip for dumping stuff. Unfortunately, it's already stripped. Right. My other favourite skip, still no GoPro I'm afraid, is whole box of that. Go through it at home. Oh, there's actually cable in there. need to do here is get the cardboard out, because all the little bits at the bottom. Sorry about the light, but it's perfect. God. Okay, so I thought we'd actually go through the other night. Plate dish, rack, a bit of cable, very heavy, really heavy pipe. Just take the whole bag and just see basically what we got. So yeah, okay, so basically that's what we'd like to see. Bits. There's a few cably bits, but not that much, but worth saving. So that one, and then obviously that's super heavy, and that cast, which is just really heavy. But then this is the one I actually want to go through. But I just thought it was best just to take the whole box basically. So I've got a pretty sharp kitchen knife there. Plastic. So hopefully the rest of the mixer. Yes. Okay. We've got a mixer. Great. Got some tongs. They're just steel, so okay. Ooh, looks like that mixer's got quite a few attachments. So this to me looks like a clear out rather than stuff that's not working, so we're going to test that. Yikes, look at this. It's like steak knives. Gosh, look at that. That is quite an old serving fork. Stainless steel, but that looks like bone. Barbecue tongs. Not bad shape. Measuring cups. They're pretty good as well, actually. Look at this, cutlery at the bottom. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's a cherry destoner. Put the cherry in there, push that through, and it pushes the stone out the bottom. Oh, that's awesome. I've always wanted one of those. Corkscrew. Oh. And it is stainless steel. Okay, some more knives. What this is. More knives. That one's no good, but it's going to need recycling effectively. Everyone's always short on scissors, right? Another broken knife. Oh, that's a thing off the grill. It's an old corkscrew. From Patent. Might look that up, that looks pretty old. Waiter's friend. Okay. Nutcracker. Stainless. Another nutcracker the same, more stainless. Plastic. Washing-me-doodle for the washing-me-doodle. Pastry cutters. It's bottle stop, but it's gone a bit yuck. Got a peeler. Just steel. Oh yes, pizza cutter. Handy Harry. Alright, so, oh look, more measuring. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like these ones. These are awesome. That's more stainless steel. That's a steel. Oh, an egg separator. That goes with that set. Silicone thing. Apple corer. Stainless steel. It's quite old as well, actually. With a really nice turned handle. Put over the stainless steel. So this will basically all be stainless steel. Bottle opener. That might be silver. Royal Dalton bunnies. Wow. Well, that's nice. I think that might be silver plated. Doesn't say either way actually, but Royal Dalton, great. Suddenly paying a little bit more attention. More measuring things. Love these bag clips, these are always really handy. A olive thingy. And here, I'm in demand. Another dainty one, stainless. I wonder how easy they are to get off in a vice, maybe not too hard. Okay, so let's put it all in there for now. A lot of other little resale bits. Hey, here's people. Here we are at the scrapyard.
know how to get it out?
I'll tell you what, just this one, that'd be awesome, thank you. I normally just launch, but that's really heavy, that one. I'm sure. Yeah, that one's awkward, that's it, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that, thanks. No, thank you. I know. Need to get a van. Thanks. So this is basically the scrap run I didn't have time to do for this last week's video, Scrapchat video. So this might either be the start of another video, or I might just do this as a separate little Brucey bonus video. We shall see. Some household VIR, that one, and that one. And then singles. Huh?
I'm not that good at this.
Good evening, Tom.
Nice. See you later, mate.
Thank you again.
No, that's right, don't worry about
Kind of you.
Press right down, 17 VIR and 9 of singles.
Computer fans, yeah.
And they're all electric.
Just cut the plastic off.
20 of electric motors. Right there.
Thank you. Good. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, 20 of both.
And then I've got this random thing, which I wouldn't normally bother weighing in on its own, but because I want it for a video, I dug it up off the beach. Is it
I think it's probably stainless and not...
Oh, is it stainless?
I think
okay.
It might not be.
So, yeah.
It feels too heavy to be out there.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what...
I'm intrigued. Oh my god.
Stainless.
Ah, there you go then, stainless. No, it's not magnetic.
Yeah, I would say stainless. I would say boat. Normally boats are made out of stainless and
Yeah.
airplanes out of it.
Oh, there you go, yeah. Well, I didn't even
For obvious reasons.
think about stainless. I mean, it's not very heavy, but I just, for the sake of the effort of digging it up, I'm intrigued how many pence I get for it.
Well, I mean, it's getting on too quick there.
Is it too?
There you go. 3 kilos, I think it's about 80p a kilo or something.
I'm just gonna get my keys out. Well now, this has probably got to be the best packed package I've ever received in my life. Look at this. Nice custom made packing box there. It says 14 kilograms on it. But before we get to that, I received this. A lovely little card with stickers from You Knows Bro. Thank you, You Knows Bro. I shall get those on the sticker boards, which I might have to create a new one soon. I did also get some stickers from Mixed Mowers, but I'm really sorry, I've misplaced those right now. So when I get them, I will actually show them on the board, but when I find them. But so thank you, You Knows Bro. Awesome. Check out his channel. He puts up lots of random different videos. Great sense of humour. Very good artist as well. Lots of you'll know him from the live streams. Okay, so now on to this. Check this out. Clearly it's been dropped along the way. Not by me, by the couriers. But yeah, this is awesome. So it looks like I'm going to have to do some unscrewing to get into this box. So let's get to it, shall we? I also love the handle that the sender has put on this box. I'm saying the sender, obviously I know who it's from. Some of you will know from hearing me saying it in other people's streams, but you won't necessarily believe it. Right, let's get the strap off as well. Just fantastic, this is. Fantastic. But then he is a handy old devil, I tell you. Handy indeed. Oh look, that was hiding another one. Probably the same the other side as well. Yep. Like, yeah, definitely get stuff done on the DIY front. I don't want any splinters or broken nails, so gloves are going on. You may have noticed my deformed nail, everybody. That I broke scrapping last week. Bad times. Indeedy. Okay. There's movement. Have I missed a screw? Did you also glue it down? It's if you can get into it, you can keep it job, is it? Don't think I cut the tape well enough. Just cut some more. Oh, oh my god. No, it's just because there's more screws. So it is 14 kilograms. 14 kilograms. Aha. I feel like something's telling me it should be this way around. Okay. What's your view like? Shall we see? Ah. Oh. Check this out. We've got a nice repurposed envelope that Ian has received from abroad. Okay. Ah. Well, well, well. Oh, awesome. Okay, so I have a lovely sticker here from Brutus Metal Art. Now, this guy is phenomenal. If you like any kind of metal sculpture or general talent, you know, with fabrication and metalwork, he's just awesome. Go and check him out. He's his sculptures are just right up my street. I think they're lovely. So that's awesome. Thank you. And the Lawnmower Detective. It's donut time. Donuts? Did someone say toroids? Thank you very much. Check out the Lawnmower Detective. This is great, Ian. Thank you for sending me these stickers. Great at all things mending, detective, because actually it's all about sussing out the problem and fixing it. Oh, and then we've got one of the rare accidental Ian Matthews stickers. If in doubt, give it a clout. And what's lovely about this is that it's actually got the right type of hammer, the brick hammer. So, now, Ian, what are you doing to me? Did you have to hammer these down in? Is it like a puzzle box? Crikey. They're pegged in with another nail. God, he's tacked it on all sides. Ian, you just want to give me a workout, don't you? Are you trying to tell me something? It's not even screwed in. I wanted to keep this box. I didn't want to destroy it as I was going. Well, isn't this fitting? All right. I'll hammer my way in. Some of you will have noticed what it is that I'm unpacking here, and it is a nice V-block from Mr. Matthews. I swear you've just done this for a laugh, just to see how long it takes the bloody woman to get into the package. Oh, that one was a screw. Oh. No, that isn't. That is a nail. Bloody Nora. The other thing of beauty. Check this out. This is something I've wanted for ages. And there she is. Look at that. What an amazing V-block. Thank you so much, Ian. Oh, it's just going to be so handy. And not only that, because I've only got a woodworking vise at the moment. I have got another one on my birthday list, but we shall see. To have this, to be able to bash stuff on is just superb. Now that I've finally got into it. Oh look, and all my letters for my creations. Oh no, they're never all going to be in there, are they? Damn. 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 Took me ages to make those. Okay. So, thank you so much, Ian. That is going to be my new tool of choice, I can tell. And I can't wait to get a goodie box sent off to you. And get these amazing stickers up on there. Now, I wasn't expecting all of these, so actually I'm going to have to put a new sticker board up before I can put these on the wall. So, I should have to put those safely there until that has happened. Heavy. Okay, so my stainless steel is building up a little bit, so I thought actually, why don't I scrap out some of it in the form of this coffee machine, so that I can have it ready to go to the yard at least. So this is an AEG coffee machine, and it came with a load of drawers and stuff which weren't actually stainless steel, but this bit is. The back isn't, but the front panelling, wait. So this is, but regardless of that, it is stacked with goodies inside. So let's give you a little look at what we are dealing with here. So we've got inside here, you can see we've got a motor, a little bit of cordage, and then you've just got all the lines. So the back in there, that's all we're interested in. But check this out. Oh my gosh. Now that really is brassy goodness right there. Look at it. Oh my gosh. We've got copper, we've got brass, we've got general goodies. One downside is I can't stand coffee, and this thing absolutely stinks, complete with the odd posh coffee bean. I've got a ballast in there as well. So yeah, exciting. Quite a small PCB, but yeah, and you've got this is the motor to the grinder there. So yeah, this was out of some sort of renovation, and it had been left out just like this. So there's it's also got lots of bits missing, so I'm not going to attempt to do anything other than scrap this out. But let's have a little look see, shall we? So I think we'll just first of all try and get it off of this paneling. This I think is, yeah. So basically it is just that front panel that is actually stainless, but that's okay. It's better than nothing. Right. Oh, I've got containers for the coffee beans, for the water. Interesting dual container there. Right. Leaving this one to get to. Perfect. Might not need to clean that up. No, I don't need to take those side ones off because it's not stainless. It's sticky, and we want no sticky. Whoa! Okay. That looks like steel as well. Okay. So we can remove those bits. This as well now. So we'll just cut these lines, get these out of here. Yep, still water in the lines. Actually, that does look like it might be stainless. No. No. Okay. So I've just got the connections from the switches holding that in place, which I can obviously neaten up separately. Okay, so I shall obviously get those off as well. So that's much more manageable, isn't it? So we begin to get into the brassy goodness. Last day of school holidays today, peeps, so we've still got background noise, I'm afraid. Hello, darling. What's Mummy doing? Everyday Solers, that's right. Good girl. Yes. And the kids are back to school. Well, Frida isn't. She's actually back on Friday. But the other two are. My son starts secondary school tomorrow. Such a weird feeling. It really is. So strange. Not sure I can get into this one, but I can try. No, I'll have to do that one by hand. So I'm going to say copper. Should we give it a look? Yeah! Woohoo! Copper. Well, that's good. It's always a risk when you have a look before you process too much, because it's nothing like discovering it's Chinesium to make you not want to bother doing anything else to it or whatsoever. Get in there. Oh, I can't get in there. Son of a gun. Alrighty, there we go. The motor. Let's just sort the it had a glass window in it. Wow. Well, in for a penny. Oh, man. It is shatterproof though, so it's well, you know, when I say shatterproof, I mean it's safety glass, so it's not sharp, but what a pain. What a pain, woman. Oh. Okay, so and this is why I'm glad I always wear my safety glasses, because in honesty I wasn't expecting that one. I'm gonna have to double bag this up. Oh, jeez. Alright. Let's clear this up. Jeez. Okay, well, I think I'll probably be finding bits of that for some time, all over the place. Anyway. We've got this. Ooh. Stainless. Okay, good. One bit. There's that one. Alright, let's get these out, and then just got to sort my daughter. Be right back. Okay, so now we've got this bit off. Some little brassy connections in there, I guess. So those for later on the floor. There we go. There's the tiny little PCB. Well, you have got some relays here, so there will be some goodies in there at least. and they are silver. So there's silver contacts and then the copper spool. Same for all of those, so that's good. There's a little removable IC there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 relays. So that's good enough for me. The thing I really want to get to is this. So obviously we've got a huge pile of singles here as well. So there's nice value there. But look at this brass. See goodness. Right here. Wow, chicka, wow, wow. Got some leakage coming out of the... Whoa! Some water coming out. Having a wee... Jeez. My brass is having a leak. In your own time, brassy goodness. In your own time. Far too busy for the follow-up jiggle. Right, well, while that's deciding to finish, I got these sculptures yesterday. Got that one and that gorgeous one from my village fair. I thought they were really cute. They were really cheap as well on the white elephant stall. A brassy handful. So, okay, so this is basically the value out of that AEG coffee machine. So we've got a pile of singles, ballast, we've got transformer, brassy goodness, this amazing brassy goodness. It's going to take a little bit of processing, but that'll be chucked in a round to it pile. Separate that off of there and these off. Little bits of stainless, and then of course the front panel is stainless. And I just sit while I'm on live streams basically and process these, and they add up into a pile of brassy goodness. So that one's clearly brass, but like the that was the male part. The female part is just more and more magnetic, which sucks. So before I'd spend loads of time on it, I'd just get a neo magnet, and actually there's no pull there, so I think they are brass. So I would then take the time to get the brass out of those and pop them into the brassy jars. So there we go, look at this. Yummy. Okay, now let's go for the weigh and pay from Scrapyard. Okay, excuse background noise. So that thing that I dug up off of the beach was stainless steel, and as you saw, they believed off of a boat, and that was actually 3 kilograms. That thing at £800 a ton gave me £2.40. Well, that's nothing to be sniffed at, is it? For a little bit of fun. So my mini motors and a couple of Chinesian ones, bigger ones, 20 kilograms, £400 a ton. So that gave me £8. Singles, those 2 bags of singles, which is mainly off of power supplies, but some, you know, the little bits I cut off of the boards and such, was 9 kilograms at £2,600 a ton. Gave me £23.40. My household cable, BIR, 17 kilograms, 1,500 a ton. Gave me £25.50. And which makes me think it's worth taking that. I'll have to do some maths on that. And then the mixed iron, which I didn't think I had that much. I actually had 120 kilograms. A lot of that was that radiator that I got out of the skip. 170 pounds a tonne. That was £20.40, giving me a grand total of £79.70. Hurrah! Not bad, I say. And the weights for that in other currencies are on the screen now. So yeah, and even more importantly, I've cleared some space ready for the pallet that should have been here by today. So I'm thinking maybe tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.